on guys, it's LexiVee03. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a productive day in my life. So it's about 9 o'clock and I'm about to leave for school. I have a couple things I need to get done today and then some fun things that I'm doing today, so I'm so excited. I'll tell you guys about it in the car, but right now I need to pack my bag and stuff to get ready for school. So every day guys, I bring my backpack to school because we don't have like textbooks. Everything's online, which is really cool and convenient because I really just have to bring my computer to school and my computer charger, and that's literally it. Today I need to bring a notebook because every time I turn in my work, if I want to write it down instead of typing it, I'll just do the assignment on paper and like scan it in my notes in my iPhone and then turn it in. It's really kind of handy and cool. Got my AirPods, my mask. Alright, my bag is like so empty. I need some shoes because I can't leave the house without any shoes on. That would be good. I keep forgetting to put stuff in my bag, y'all. This is about the 4th time I took my bag back off because I keep forgetting to put stuff in here. I think that's it for real this time. So we're gonna go get some shoes to put on with this uniform. So I'm gonna just go with my shadows. It's pretty neutral color. I wore them yesterday, but it doesn't matter. They're just shoes. So I'm walking out the house now. I might get some breakfast. I don't know. Bye, mommy. Let's talk about what I have to do today. Yesterday, I broke a nail. Oh. So I'm gonna get some breakfast. I'm gonna get some breakfast. I really hope you guys can see me because I can't check and see if you can. I might check when I get to the breakfast place. But these are what my nails are supposed to look like. I got them done not too long ago. I think they're so cute. And then this happened. This one broke in half. And I glued it back on. So I'm about to just go get this fixed today. My dad told me he would take me to the record shop today. So excited, y'all. I love going to the record shop and looking through records. It's like one of my favorite things to do ever. So I'm doing that today. Let me think. Oh, I need to take some stuff back to the store because I have a box of school supplies that I got for a giveaway, but I decided we're almost at 1 million subscribers. We need to step it up and not do school supplies again. So I decided not to do the school supplies giveaway and to do the other giveaway, which if you don't know about it, make sure you hit that video right there. It'll be in the link in the description box below also. But I'm giving away an iPad, some AirPods, and some awesome technology for online school students. So you can win. Just go into the giveaway. The winner will be chosen, I think, on September 9th. I don't know. Don't trust my word. I can't remember what the date is, but I want to say September 9th. I'm gonna get McDonald's for breakfast. Chick-fil-A's line is always just a little too long, and McDonald's is not far from my house, so I am just gonna grab some Mickey D's. I don't think I'm gonna grab like anything crazy. I'm just gonna grab like some hash browns and some coffee. Okay, y'all, every time I try to vlog in the car, it gets way too hot on my camera. My camera shuts off. But it's a nice foggy day. It's probably gonna rain, but it's a foggy day and it's morning time and it's not hot at all, so my camera shouldn't shut off whatsoever. I'm at McDonald's and I know that the camera is super shaky right now.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. May I help you?
Hi, can I get 2 hash browns and a small caramel frappe?
2 hash browns and a small coffee?
Small caramel frappe.
Okay.
That's all.
What else for you? That's all?
Yes.
All right, it's going to be $4.26.
Thank you. She scared me though. She scared me. After school, I'm gonna start my productive day. I mean, I guess going to school is productive. There's lip gloss all over my hand. I might clean out my car today. Oh yes, it's so messy. Y'all will see it later. So I might clean out the inside of my car. I don't know if I'll wash the outside of my car because it's pretty rainy outside this whole week. So, but definitely the inside of I forgot my watch. Definitely the inside of my car though, because it's a hot mess in here. I used to be so scared to come through drive-thrus because of all these curbs in here, but it's not that bad actually.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day, Karma Friday. Oh, did she use it? Alright, y'all. We're free. This is good. Let's go, buddy. This is my favorite coffee drink ever. I don't really like coffee, but this is my favorite because it kind of doesn't taste like coffee, but it still kind of does, and it's good. And I just got 2 hash browns because I don't like biscuits. I need to hurry up. It's 9:25. It's 9:25. Oh, I'm about to be late today. Well, y'all, I gotta go. It's 9:25. I'm gonna be so late today, but it's okay. I love you guys. I'll see you at school. What's up, guys? I just got out of school. I'm supposed to go get my nails done, but if I'm being honest with you, I do not feel like going to get my nails done. Some people in my class are going to eat, and I want to eat, but I feel like my mom's gonna cuss me out if I don't go get my nails done. But the truth is, another one broke off today, and so I don't really want to even get them redone. I just want to let them break. I literally got these like 5 days ago, literally. So I just want to kind of let them break off and get them done again somewhere else. But yeah, what's up?
So you leaving?
Yeah,
you gotta get your nails done.
I don't know if I'm. Where are you going?
Shoot, I got Mayway, so.
Oh, you lucky. Dang. What'd you get?
I got, you know what we get, Thai coconut curry?
Yes, that's what I get, red Thai curry. So, where are you going then? You staying here?
I don't know.
I might shoot it with them, or I don't know. We'll call one more.
Jerron going home.
What up, John?
I'm about to leave.
What you doing then? Where you going?
I'm about to go home probably.
I don't know. Should I fix these nails or should I just let them go?
Let's see, if you don't get your nails done.
I don't know.
Should I let them go or should I fix them?
And they look a little dingy.
Where my mask at?
They're a little dirty. You be touching on Tony's car.
Yeah, but the thing is, this one broke and I re-glued it, and then these 2 broke. Like, so should I just wait and go somewhere else, or should I go bother get these redone? You okay?
Names in it.
You hungry?
I'm hungry, so
What you want?
go home.
I got a hash brown.
That's old
Oh,
as
you got a
hell.
hash brown?
Girl,
That's old as hell.
it's from this morning. I need it.
Is this one this morning too?
No, that's from 2 days ago. The hash brown from this morning.
Lexi, you have to tell me when you're going to McDonald's.
Why is my indicator on? All right, y'all. So I am at the nail salon. I'm about to go get these 2 nails fixed really quickly. Hopefully this doesn't take long because I don't want to be here all day. I'm trying to go home. So I'm just gonna get these 2 nails fixed and we'll be good to go. Alright, y'all, I'm back in the car. I have no gas, but my nails are fixed. She fixed all 3 that broke. I know it looked like 2 were broke, but I had to glue one back on. So now I'm about to head home. I have a Zoom at 2:30, so I'm gonna go home and join that Zoom, and then I can finish my productive day. So let's go do that.
I know this shot isn't pretty, but always hand sanitize is good.
All right, y'all, I'm home now. I'm out of that Zoom. I just finished up all my homework. I'm about to head downstairs because I gotta clean the kitchen, y'all. That's something that I have to do every other day. My sister does it every other day, so I do it on the day she's not doing it. It's not that bad. Just a couple dishes to load into the dishwasher. All right, guys, me and the gang are at Kohl's and we're making a return. All of this stuff in here is stuff that I was gonna do a giveaway with, but I decided to up it and do the iPad and all that fun stuff. All right, thank you so much for holding that. About to go in here.
Hi, welcome. You want to remember for anything?
Yes, thank you. We're making cookies when we get back after we hit up the record store. Chocolate chip. You don't like chocolate chip? You want macadamia instead? Huh? I don't know. It's yellow. It's the yellow package. Yeah. Cookies.
Hey guys, so all of a sudden this has become my channel.
Here's my receipt. We got 25% off. What should we buy? Can I buy a mannequin? What if I just pick up a mannequin, walked it up there? Can I buy this? Be like, that's not for sale, ma'am. The smell of success. Oh, our Uber. I'm just kidding. Nah, where he going? My dad. Hello, Uber. Nothing.
Oh, I'm your Uber.
Yes. Alright guys, so we're finished at Kohl's. Now we can go to the vinyl shop. I thought it closed at 5, but it closes at 8. I think I read it wrong. Or maybe I'm just not that bright. So that's where we're about to go. I'm excited because I could just feel it. I'm gonna find something good. I really want to find Sign of the Times prints because I have a copy of that, but it's warped. I'll show you guys when I get home, but it's warped so it doesn't play, so it's on my wall instead. Alright, here we are, Vertical House Records. I love it here, it's awesome. Alright guys, we just left. We were actually kind of there for a hot minute. Sydney got something, I got something. We'll show you when we get home. That was cool. Hand sanitize, everyone. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get home. Hey guys, so I'm back home. It's been a while. We had dinner and everything. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from the record store. I got Thriller on CD. This was a deluxe, I think. And then I got Bad, Michael Jackson Bad. And then I got some Carl Carlton. I got this Christmas album. It has an assortment of different artists who sing Christmas songs because I'm literally so excited for Christmas and I am going to be playing this with Christmas candles. Stay tuned for Vlogmas. It's going to play a big part. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell. Hit that thumbs up button. I love you guys so much. Let me know if you guys want more vlogs. I love to make them. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Wait, you know how the people like peace, but like they can make them sound like they be like peace, but they're like peace. Peace. I can't make the peace sound in my mouth. What are they called? Victrillion, whatever. Peace. Bye. No, try. Wait. Try. Oh wait.
What?
Nah, never mind.